Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be solving exponential equations. Now the big thing you got to realize here is that we're going to be just doing examples where the base can be written the same. So for example, our first example, let's solve 2 to the x equals 8 cubed. Okay? So I'm going to start by just rewriting this down here. Okay, so I rewrite my problem and I want to say that if I can, I'm going to first try to rewrite my basis. So 2 to the x can't be written any differently. Okay, but 8 can. 8 is just, remember, 2 cubed. Okay? And then we're going to bring that back to the third power. So I rewrote my base. That's what I mean. So these examples are going to be when I can make a common base. I'll leave the 2 to the x alone. Okay, and now I'm going to do a power to a power rule, which is 2 to the ninth. Okay, raising a power to another power is 2 to the ninth. And think of it as like this. 2 cubed is being multiplied by itself 3 times. So 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 2 cubed. When you multiply numbers with the same base, you add the exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. That's the idea. So by property of equality, okay, equality here, if 2 to the x equals 2 to the ninth, well that means the exponents have to equal. So in this case, x equals 9. So pretty easy example there. So let's look at a few more. Okay, so in the second example here, let's just go ahead and we're going to solve 9 to the 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the 6x. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the problem first. So I'm going to say, well, we have 9 to the 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the 6x. Now I can't break 3 down anymore, but I know 9 is a perfect square. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this base as 3 squared. That's what 9 is. And the numerator, or excuse me, the exponent is going to stay the same, 2x minus 1. And my 3 to the 6x is going to stay the same. Now, like I did before, a power to a power, I'm going to multiply through. So I'm going to have 3 to the 4x minus 2. Be very careful on the distribution here. So 3 to the 4x minus 2, and I leave my other base. So now I have an equation where both bases are the same. So the equality tells us that 4x minus 2 has to equal 6x. If two bases are the same, these two numbers are the same, the base is the same, that means their powers have to be the same. So I get negative 2 equals 2x, so x equals negative 1. Oops, positive x, I don't know why I went to negative. There we go. So, alright, that's solving exponential equations by hand. These are with the same basis. So if you guys have any questions or comments, you can type them below. We'll see you next time.